We're at our breakfast place now, and then I ordered a lamb sandwich. It's 12 something in the afternoon, so it's basically our brunch. We are not sure of our itinerary for the rest of the day, but at least let's have nice warm brunch first. So yeah. Heading back to the city center because there's so many road closures towards our second Airbnb, so we decided not to head to the northern side of the Iceland to ice. We haven't eaten ice. Oh, it's strawberry jam. Oh. That's why we are not heading to the north side of Iceland anymore for this trip, and we'll be heading back to city center and we'll go with the flow. Don't know where we're heading to, but yeah, that's the plan for now. Wonderful.
I'm awesome. Interesting. Different flavor.
Oh, they recommend this one, so we should try this. Okay. Let's do it. Let's do it. Like, show. It's like gummies. Yeah. Do you like it? Oh. What's this? You should try.
Choose from myself.
Yes.
Not the staff.
Yes.
Oh, I think
This one will be better. Yes.
like gummy.
Yes.
I love gummy bears. Oh, it's very small.
Oh, let me see.
Like this.
Oh. You eat very fast.
Yeah, I'm hungry. No flavor.
No flavor.
Try it. It's like a candy. Like gummy.
What is? Oh, it's so hard. What is this?
Oh, I think it's great.
They so
Purple one.
oh,
Like peppermint, right?
good.
It's my turn. Tissue.
On the line.
Oh, I don't think I would like it.
Too big.
Oh wait. Is that,
Oh wait.
I don't like it. Is that a tequila, right? Okay. Yeah, try it, Carmen.
Okay. Okay. Checking in for our my hot dog, your double chin. Say hi. Yay. We're checking in for our official third stay in Iceland. Yay. Room tour. Okay, here's our first look. This is our toilet, and very simple one. Let me see the shower. And then there's steps going down. And it looks like this. There's 2 single beds for 3 of us. And then there's a pantry, a mini coffee machine, a fridge, and like a mini kitchen. And then here's our view for 2 nights. Ta-da! And yeah, that's our room tour for our 3rd stay in Iceland. Hi! So a quick tour of what we have in our mini kitchen. Some bowls, plates, glasses, and mugs. And there's a roll of tissue at the top for some reason. And then the second one here, we have our kettle, a microwave, and a toaster. And this is the induction cooker. And on the first drawer, there's some kitchen utensils. Second drawer, some knife and chopping board. Third drawer, we have pots and pans, essentials. And then what we have here, oh, nothing important. And then there's a mini fridge. I like this kitchen. Do you like this kitchen?
Not bad.
Yes, we like it. Good.
I don't say I like it. 7.1.
Take 1. Coney number 2.
Okay, pause it quickly.
We are out now at city center, and then we're gonna have our dinner for today. So yeah, this is the city center with the famous Rainbow Street.
Would you like to marry me?
Okay, yes I do.
What are you thinking?
Hi.
Then day 7 started. Let's go.
Let's go.
Yay! New fashion. We are at a mini supermarket or a store for buying some breakfast because 3 of us haven't had our breakfast today. So we just have to stop somewhere, get some food, and then continue our journey to our destination. Yay! Yes. Hi, we got this one. This is my favorite popcorn caramel one. And
I
then
don't
we
know
got-
what's this.
You don't know what this is?
Yeah,
I
it's
got
like
it.
steak.
And then I got this one. It's a margarita pizza. We can't see it because someone put it in the opposite direction. And then I got this one. I think it's a caramel topping kind of
Oh,
pastry.
it's 春卷 there.
What's this? And then we got this one, a kombucha, raspberry one. And then there's this chocolate pastry. And finally we have this one. So yeah, that's what we got from the supermarket. She also got this one.
Oh.
It's the Coca-Cola
Coca-Cola and a shot.
Yes, that's what we
So
got from
easy.
here.
You
Yes.
can see. Okay.
Good. Okay. Yay! Show the camera what you got. What the hell are you doing? This is my mozzarella bread. This is his donut jam. What do you got here?
The banana.
Oh my god, he's getting banana everywhere he goes. Yes, let's go. taking some pictures at the beach. So yeah. Our dinner place now, it's called Cafe Loki, and it's super dark here, that's why you can't see me, but yeah, finally managed to come to an Icelandic restaurant in Iceland at the 6th or 7th day of our trip now. So we're gonna have some authentic Iceland food.
15 seconds, and after that you get like an aftertaste of ammonia, and that is your sign to take a swig of the shot. It's an alcoholic shot, so it's like an Icelandic vodka, and it's made from potatoes, and it's like 37%-ish, but it feels a lot stronger, so it will help clear away the aftertaste. So enjoy! Thank you.
Cool. 是要分4口的意思。
So today is the final full day of us being in Iceland. So our first stop today before heading for the cave tour is Netto. Cause the bread here we tried yesterday, it's super nice. So we're getting it today again for our snack in the car. So yeah, look at them. Seriously picking their bread. Yay! So after this, we will continue our journey to the cave tour. It's a 2-hour-ish car journey, so we'll see you there. look at the cave place that day where it was snowing heavily, but today it's nice and sunny out. And then it's not snowing and it's not that cold. We're waiting for our cave tour session. It's at 1 p.m. and it's currently 12:30. So we'll just wait around, rest a bit, and then start our tour later at 1.
Does look like, I figure, imagination did it already. So in Icelandic, this is called hraunskítur. So hraun means lava in Icelandic. Skítur means shit. So this is the end of the tour. Thank you very much.
So what is this?
饭团跟饭卷。
Oh, it's dinner. And then this is Fan Tuan. It's our lunch after the cave tour. By this too. Thank you. Good job. We're at a Iceland shopping mall now. It's the first shopping mall we will ever visit, and it's second last day of our Iceland trip. So we're gonna get some stuff that we want to buy. Maybe some souvenir, and tomorrow morning it's a morning flight, and then we'll head back to the UK. Let's go.
Holding so many things. Oh, God, she buys so many. Oh my God. No, let's go this. Oh my God. And then oh my God.
So let's go on a quick room tour of our final stay in Iceland. You can see the outside is super quiet because our stay is near the airport. We have a super early flight tomorrow morning, so that's why we chose a stay that's near the airport. And then through the entrance here, it's the toilet. You can see there's a hair dryer, hand wash, and all the basic stuff that we need. And then through here, there's the living room, the TV, the sofa, and a few mirror, another sofa, the kitchen, which is already messy, excuse it, and then there's coffee machine, kettle, microwave, plates, utensils that we need, and here's the fridge, here's the seating area, there's one bed here, say hi, and then there's a twin bed here. This is room number 1, and then there's another room here, which is a double-decker. And yeah, this is a mini house tour. Yay, our final stay in Iceland. Our final official dinner in Iceland, which is 方便面 instant noodle. Hey, we're at KFC. Our first KFC visit out of the 9 days in Iceland. KFC.
Oh, remember to lock the door.
Oh. Okay, go back. Oh. Okay. Look at our first KFC in Iceland. I didn't expect it to be this small because KFC used to be bigger. I don't know why it's so small.
Nothing to use it. Oh, here.
This is the state of our car after driving it for 9 days through snowstorms and rain and all sorts of severe weather. So yeah, I don't read Icelandic, so this is ready to be pumped. Oh my god, I can't stand looking at this car. So dirty. Is this the entrance? Yay, 24/7 Mart. We are done buying our stuff and then it's currently snowing. Final night in Iceland and it's snowing. Oh, cannot see. Oh, whoa. Goodbye Iceland, going to the airport now. Final call for our Iceland trip. So yeah, see you. It's snowing in Iceland, our final day here. Yay! Just turned our car and then we're walking towards the airport and then I'm gonna take our flight back to Sheffield. Iceland, bye bye. Oh, everybody looks so tired. We're boarding the plane now. Let's go back to UK, Manchester. Thank you for watching my vlog and hope to see you in my next one. Bye.